show you the field.
Yes.
And I show you two kind pump station. One I think so is very big, 4,000 meter cube per hour, if you understand.
Yes.
It's very big.
But I think you will measure it for us. Of course.
And I show you another. We have two projects in the field. First we have 1,000 hectares. Second 1,500 hectares. But the first 1,000 hectares we do 4 pump stations.
Yes.
Each 250. Here 1 pump station.
Yes.
Okay, you go after to me,
Yes.
or you want to come with me?
I can drive with you, we can speak.
Yeah, drive with him.
Okay.
Okay. He bore in the field because you have a lot of leaves, dry leaves.
Yes, so they had to go
And
away.
for somebody say for the machine, better when you make fire, you see only the sugar cane alone.
So it's
But here no problem.
no.
You can Africa. I'm sorry.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
But no, in Europe cannot
But
fire.
can you do
They can. In Australia, they cut all complete. Complete. No, but I don't know. If here the one day, I don't know, somebody comes say, hey, finish, danger, I'm sure it's not fire. I'm sure, I don't know. Amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Now you see, when the water go down, you have your switch, the pump, open automat.
If you have to begin.
Very clean. But this is cost a lot of. Building
But it's a
reservoir.
good
If
reservoir.
you have lake, I don't know if you don't need.
Only I have to choose the right ones.
You check, you wait a little bit more, you see the rice. If the rice success, you know what's happening. All Senegal want to come here to look. Even the Minister of Agriculture. Everybody listen this, they don't believe because they have 5 tons per hectare with full water, gravity. We get with irrigation 10 tons. And people don't understand. How can we can grow rice with irrigation? It's very new. You don't want, if success, take 200.
Yes.
Make. Oh, you are very.
conditions.
Oh, here, Senegal, only rice and fish. Go inside the field. Take the water, fertilizer, go to the field. But there, you're mixing fertilizer. This is the tank. This is the tank. You put the fertilizer and you mix it with high pressure. This is mixed tank. When you finish the mix, this tank, you open the valve, you take any tank if you want this fertilizer, or this fertilizer, and from this tank, you go to the fertikit. The fertikit go to the field.
Big technical.
Oh,
The great technical.
and this is especially for acid and chlorine.
Okay.
This is fertilizer, this is if you want acid, liquid. All these three tanks is separate. But everything goes down with the pipe, you see? I do this all. It's amazing.
Color soup.
You see, each one, this if you want to clean the tank, this is drainage, you open, you clean. This is filter, this is the fertilizer, go to the fertikit. Yes. And this is, came from here, from this one, to fill the tank. All this, when you be, you see? Customer come to see. You see all here. You open the valve in the field.
Yes.
Here you use the fertikit. Everything here. No need to work.
The control room.
Control room. He do all the job here. If you want to open this fertikit fertilizer, you open from here.
How long education for the man who has to?
How long?
This,
You speak
I
asking.
understand. Donc wax combien de temps nga def ci formation pour
Un mes.
Voilà, man maa ngi fi depuis kii depuis 10 ans.
It's like 16 years this year.
No, but ask him, he asked very good question. If he want to do him the same, room area for irrigation.
Yeah.
If we bring one guy, how long time it take him to be? Maybe 2 days, 3 days, no more. 1 week.
dañoo kii wait a minute I ask you fekkee dañoo maanaam par exemple defar lu mel ni soxla koo former pour mu mun ko gérer combien de temps nga yaakaar mun ko former?
À peu près 3 mois.
3 mois. You say around 3 months you can teach him everything.
No, but we can do less because he work, yes, but
No problem.
No matter.
Okay.
Just want to, if he can comprehend.
no, it's right, no. First of all, we have the guy from Metafilm.
Yeah.
If you buy Metafilm, I don't know.
Yes, I do.
The film is the
I don't
best.
want to buy a Chinese.
No, push. No Chinese and no Indian.
Yeah.
But Metafilm is the best all the world.
Okay.
And Metafilm, we have very good people. They can.
And
know
you are
it.
here.
Yes.
So
we are
it's-
here, and we can see there, and we can use the people from here, US, CSS, to help us because we have good connection between
That's
us.
right.
Yeah.
Not bad. But
All these came from Israel.
Yes.
All the board.
But just import all.
Yes. Good elected people here we have, and good people. And this, you see, so big. This is the 4,000 meter cube per hour.
Yeah.
It's the biggest hole, I don't know. I didn't see any pump station like this.
This is impressive.
Yes. Yes. You can start too,
Yes.
and we can put, we do the place, and after we put only the filter and the leg. Good. You're right. Good
You have to
idea.
put it in the.
Everything go. Beautiful. Right here. This, okay? This is this. See here? Yes. All the things stuck here. Yes. Yes. And
All this small, very small.
yes, all the things stuck here. And when if he start to feel dirty, he wash automat. After 6 months, if you see between in and out different, one bar, it's mean change.
So simple.
Here they buy spare like this. We take out, we put another, we have time to clean. Yes. He open, yes. He open from when you stay. You see all the valve. Solar is remote control. You open this. Here is wash, automatic, the same. If you start to feed, everything automatic. No need to touch nothing by hand. Even to open the valve. Yes, 20 hectare.
20
hectare.
This is good for 120 meter cube per hour. Okay. We go very far.
Yes.
You see where is the pump station? Some inside in the PVC, you have there, here, no need to, nothing, change.
And how often? Every 6 years you change
The lateral.
The lateral.
We
inside the
open
station.
all the soil, the big John
Yeah.
Deere came with repair,
Yeah.
open, take the lateral out, make flat again, drip again.
New.
No!
No.
Hey, new.
New, yeah.
6 years, yes.
Because it's
Here a lot of irrigation.
Yeah, we have to write it down.
A lot.
Et on termine par cette brève. Il y a enfin une avancée. Les partis se sont mis d'accord, quoi, pour ce qui est du gouvernement d'union nationale.
Population, l'université
See, this is sugar. You not burn. All.
ready.
See sugar?
Yeah. You can feel it, taste it.
Yeah. And then we can cut maybe.
It's very wet. Yeah. Yeah.
Sugar, isn't it?
Yeah.
No. 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 You need to clean. Okay.
Yes.
Clean. Family, children, everything. Little town. But you don't know what we do. We work